Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma, and I want to talk a little bit about, again, our inventory level being incredibly low. Now, we sell a lot of things out of the ground in both the Oklahoma City and the Tulsa markets. Our construction lead time is getting longer and longer. There was a time, 6 months was about all you really needed, even 5 months to build a really, really nice home. But with labor shortages, with material shortages, with the cities requiring more inspections, 10 months is not unusual. In fact, I've seen 12. And so we put a lot of things under contract that have a future timeline, a much future timeline. And right now, real estate is volatile because of interest rates. Interest rates are going up. We've just seen roughly about a 3/8 of a point increase in the investment rate. Now, it's still historically low, guys. I mean, this is crazy low. To me, to do 4.5% or 4.75% or whatever they're offering right now on an investment loan, good grief. I mean, the first home I bought back in the late 1970s was roughly about a 17% fixed interest rate. When I got into real estate in 1989, it was 10.5% to 12%. And now it is going up a little bit. But there are some people that are younger and they don't understand this. They don't understand the fact is that if you have a 4.5% interest rate and inflation, which they're estimating right now is at 7.5%, you need to stick with that contract. You have a negative, for all intents and purposes, you have a negative interest rate. If you keep your money in cash, for instance, and just put it in your checking account in the bank, you're losing money because of 7.5%. Your dollar value is down 7.5%. You need to invest in something, all right? Something conservative, something relatively safe. Don't be speculative, but put your money somewhere. But inevitably, what's going to happen is people are going to cancel their contracts. Oh, the interest rates are too high. It doesn't make sense anymore. And trust me, I'll do the ROI, the return on investment calculations for you. It does make sense. But the thing is, not everybody is somebody that I'm gonna try to convince. If they don't wanna do it, it's not my job to be the greatest salesperson in the world and find some words that are gonna make them close. I want people to be comfortable with what they do. And if they're uncomfortable, they shouldn't be buying. But what it does, it opens up opportunities. I had this happen just a little while ago on a duplex. Same day, almost. We literally got a new contract in, substituted that in because our builders will allow us to do this. So if it's something that you're looking for at this point and you understand that inventory is in short supply, my suggestion is you need to get on our list. We have a reservation list. Tell us what you want. If something does come up that doesn't work out, like I just talked about, we're going to plug in who we have. Now, we do have a waiting list right now, so the sooner you can get on, the better it's going to be. So in both the Oklahoma City and the Tulsa markets, this is where we are right now. We hope you stick with us. We hope you work with us. We're looking forward to having a conversation with you about investing in the Oklahoma market.